Hello everyone, welcome to Benny's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how I prepare my coconut rice. If you are new here, please share, like and subscribe. And if you have any comment, please leave it at the comment section. On the table, I have my thoroughly washed parboiled rice. I have my coconut, which I'm going to bring out the milk. I have my oil that I'm going to use to air fry my shrimps. This is my spiced chicken. I use ginger, garlic, curry, thyme to spice the meat before I boiled it and then now I fried it. This is our meat stock. Here I have my green pepper, I have my red pepper, then I have my yellow pepper and atarodo. I like to use different kind of peppers so to give it some kind of taste when you eat this rice. Then I have my crayfish, my blended crayfish. Then I have my chopped onions, my bouillon cube, my salt to taste, and I have shrimps here. I already spiced up these shrimps with black pepper, white pepper, and my mixed spice with little curry, little thyme, and salt. So let's get cooking. Before we start, I'm going to just blend this coconut now and bring out the coconut milk that we're going to use. So let's go. So for the coconut, I broke it, I took out the water, I washed it, and I chopped it to small bits. If you leave it to be bigger chunks, it might spoil your blender blade if your blender is not strong enough. So after that, I bring to the blender, I put enough water, and I blend. After blending, I will squeeze out the water. Extracted. This is my cheesecloth, so I'm just going to turn it here. So I'm squeezing it out. You have to squeeze very well so you can take out all the coconut milk. Yeah, I've gotten what I want, so let's go and cook. So I've turned on the heat, the pot's on the fire. So I'm just going to stir the shrimps now. So I'll just add little oil in the pot. And when it is hot, I'll stir fry the shrimps. Let me just put one in to know if it's hot. Okay, just getting to be hot. I can put the shrimps in. Stir fry for like 5 minutes. So I'm okay with this now. I'll just bring out the shrimps, because I'm still going to put it inside the rice when it is cooking. You don't normally use coconut oil when you're cooking coconut rice. But because the one I have here in the pot is just little, so I will just add my rice like that and I lower the heat. So in now, I'm going to put my rice in the pot. I have here 5 cups of rice. I've already washed it and I parboiled the rice. So I don't have to put so much water so I can still have my coconut taste in it. So now I'll just add my coconut water. I'll add my coconut water. I'll add my chicken stock. I'll add my onions. I'll add my bouillon cubes. I'll add my crayfish. And I'll add the pepper. And I'll add back my shrimps. Then I'll add my salt. I'll just put little now, then check later if it's okay. So I'll just stir everything. You can see how colorful it is. You know, rice uses steam to cook, so you don't need to really add so much water. If not, you have rice that is soggy. Water doesn't really cook rice, it's the steam that cooks the rice. So just test for salt now. I'll just add more salt. I think the salt is okay by me now. So I'll add my stir-fried chicken on it so it can soak in the coconut water. You see the level of the water in the rice. So when I'm done, I'll just reduce the heat, then cover tightly. So I've added my chicken. So I'll get my foil paper and now cover so I can trap in the steam. After like 20 minutes or less, 15 minutes, I'll come and check. But at this point, you have to reduce the heat. Let it just use the steam to cook. So after 20 minutes, let me check if the water, okay, we still have some water in it. Let me see if I need to add more water. Okay, I'll just add a little bit of water because it is still hard. So just add a little bit of water. I think this will cook it. Man, the aroma is something else. So after another 10 minutes that I opened the other time, I'm going to check it now if the water has dried so I can stir everything together. So if it has dried, that means all in all, it took us like 30-35 minutes to finish cooking this rice. Wow, the aroma in this kitchen is something else. You can see our rice. Oh, there's no water again. So I have to stir everything together. This is our coconut rice. If you are here to like this video, please stop whatever you are doing and press the like button. Share to your friends, share to your family, share to any person you think you can share to. I appreciate all who keep joining me when I'm cooking in my kitchen. Wow. You can see the rice is not soggy. It's just separated. So everything is just super okay now. I'll just turn off the heat and give to people around me to eat. If you want, you can bring your plates. You are welcome. So this is our coconut rice. You can see how beautiful the face is with the shrimps and colored pepper. I have my chicken here and I have my peppered goat meat. That's what I'm eating it with. So this is what we have, our coconut rice. So yumicious. Everywhere is blowing hot in my kitchen, smoky and all. So I'm going to test now and give you the result. Spicy, sweet, yummy. So yummy.